Okay, on episode 79 of the podcast, Jennifer, Steven, and I were talking about engineering, how to know if it's a great fit for your student, and how that should direct your college list. Does that mean you should be going to a university or a college? So first of all, if you missed that episode, go over to flourishcoachingco.com/podcast and look for episode 79. Now, let me show you what I want you to do to fulfill the College Bound Challenge for this week. I think it's important that on the College Bound journey, your teen, as early as 10th grade, should be aware of the supplemental essays that colleges are asking, because this will help direct what and how you do the pieces of your College Bound journey. So I just want to give everybody a quick tutorial on how to do so. First of all, you go over to commonapp.org. If you don't yet have an account, click Create Account. Now, you could have a freshman, sophomore, junior, anytime, even well before college applications, you can create your Common App account, and that account will still be there ready for you in the fall of the senior year. And you can use it as a resource during your College Bound journey. Now, I already have a practice account that they have for counselors. So we come here. I'm going to say, yep. I'm going to not go into my recommender that I normally do. I'm going to go, yep, I'm a first-year student. So that's what everybody would be creating, a first-year student, an account. And mine's already all set up. So don't be confused by what we end up seeing here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm signing in. It's a little slow today. Okay, so this is the Common App application right here. Not all my correct information. I've gone to the college search tab over here. You can go here and type in the name of any college. There it would be. You could click add. I might have too many colleges on mine right now. Yep, it's added. Now those colleges appear over here. So let's just go down and pick on the University of Michigan, or let's do University of Notre Dame. So when we come here, we go to questions. Okay, now on these questions, we've got general questions. Now look at this, academics, activities. There's a lot of different places where this could exist. So we're going to go to writing. Some schools will have essays that do not appear under writing. They might instead appear under academics. So it's wise to open all the tabs, right? And now we see these are the supplemental questions that the University of Notre Dame is asking. Some colleges don't ask supplemental questions. I live in Cincinnati, Ohio. There's no supplemental questions currently for The Ohio State University. And that could change by August 1st of every year. So looking at the different questions that are asked, so these are the Notre Dame questions, and let's go to the Michigan. I know they also have essay questions. Okay, so we've got, everything's a little slow today. Okay, so here we have writing again. They have a community essay, and now this essay number 2 is asking, why do you want to study that major at the University of Michigan? So, okay, let this be your guide for finding all the important things that the colleges will be asking, which should inspire what you're doing on your college journey.